Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to learn how you can cancel or end your Netflix membership. As we all know, Netflix charges us either at the end of the month or on the specific day we started the membership. So if you want to stop your membership, just follow these simple steps. Let's get started. First of all, open your Netflix app. Now, to cancel your membership, click on the profile icon located on the top right corner. It looks like a small blue mask or smiley face. Tap on that. Next, go to your account option and scroll all the way down. Here, you'll see an option that says Cancel Membership. Click on it. You'll notice a message that says your cancellation will take effect at the end of your current billing. Period, for example. This means you can continue enjoying Netflix until that date. But after that period, Netflix will no longer charge your account automatically. Finally, click on Finish Cancellation, and your membership will be successfully canceled. So that's all for today's video. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you found it useful, please share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and have a great day.